The king cobra is known for its impressive size and lethal bite, making it one of the most feared and revered snakes on the globe. It also has a distinct voice, unusual nesting habits, and a moniker that hides its actual nature. The king cobra is the longest of all poisonous snakes, and for a variety of reasons, may easily claim the title of king. Here is why king cobra is called king. Number 1. Longest venomous snake. In the animal world, there are hundreds of types of poisonous snakes, but the king cobra is the longest of them all. They are 3 to 4 meters long on average and may grow to well over 5 meters long. When a cobra stands, it can meet a human of ordinary height eye to eye. Largest king cobra, measuring 5.59 meters in length. King cobras are also one of the longest living snakes, having an average lifespan of 20 years in the wild. Number 2. They are cannibals. Because they only consume other snakes, king cobras are said to be cannibalistic. They may sometimes eat a small mammal, mouse, or bird, although this is more typical of a common cobra. Even if the other snake is poisonous, cobra stomachs have evolved to break down the poison and render it harmless via digestive fluids. Because they lack teeth, they swallow their prey whole. Large animals can pass between their jaws because they can extend and expand broadly. It might take many minutes for them to completely swallow an animal. Cobras, like many other snakes, may go for months, if not years, without eating. Snakes do not require water to thrive, but they will absorb it through their bellies when they move through naturally moist regions like streams, marshes, and creek beds. Number 3. They build a nest for eggs. The only snakes in the world that create nests for their eggs are king cobras. A female cobra builds a nest of leaves and twigs when she prepares to lay her eggs, which is generally in the spring. She constructs walls and a cover to insulate and safeguard the eggs she intends to lay. A clutch, or a collection of eggs, can contain up to 50 eggs. She stays in the nest for several months, on watch until the snakes hatch. Hatchings can take care of themselves right away and can even bite if required. From the hatchling stage until full maturity, a king cobra takes around 4 years. The breeding season lasts from January through April. Number 4. Their hoods are unique. When defending itself, a king cobra develops a unique hood that flares around its face. The markings on this hood, as well as other sections of the snake's body, are all unique to the king cobra. It seems to be a piece of the snake's skin at first glance, but it's actually a system of rib bones and muscles that can bend and move. The king cobra stretches its ribs and fans out its hood as it hisses and rises to seem bigger and more deadly. Number 5. Their venom is a deadly. There are 2 sorts of venom categories for poisonous snakes. One is neurotoxic and the other is hemotoxic. A neurotoxic is a poison that directly affects a person or animal's nervous system. Hemotoxins, on the other hand, are present in rattlesnakes and vipers, and they damage the bloodstream. The venom of a king cobra is neurotoxic, and when it bites, just a few ounces of it is released. On average, a king cobra bite can release up to 400 to 500 milligrams of venom. Even a tiny quantity can cause paralysis in its victim. Furthermore, it is so toxic that a human can die within minutes of being bitten. An elephant, for example, can die in a matter of hours. That's all for today's video. Let us know if you didn't know these reasons and facts about king cobra before in the comment section below. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you found this video informative, do like and subscribe. And don't forget to give comments and provide us with your valuable feedback. See you in the next video with some more amazing facts about the animals. And until then, stay tuned.